In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete statuses in ClickUp. Whether you're streamlining your processes or just need a fresh start, removing unnecessary statuses can significantly enhance your team's workflow. So, let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. To begin, you'll want to make sure you're logged into your ClickUp account. Once you're in, start by navigating to the Spaces section. This is your central hub where all your projects and tasks are organized. Locate the space where you need to delete a status. You'll see it listed along with other spaces on the left sidebar. Next, you'll want to search for the 3 vertical dots. These represent additional options and settings for that specific space. Clicking this will open up a menu of choices. Look for the option labeled More. Selecting this will allow you to access additional settings that aren't immediately visible. Once you've clicked on More, a new list of options will be presented. Here, you'll need to find and click on All Space Settings. This is where you can manage a variety of settings related to your space, including statuses. In the All Space Settings menu, you'll find an option called Task Statuses. Click on this to view all the task statuses currently set up for your space. This page shows every possible status a task could be from in progress to completed, or any custom statuses you've created. Within the Task Statuses section, you'll see again another set of 3 vertical dots next to each status. These indicate additional action options for that specific status. Click on the dots next to the status you wish to delete. Once you've opened the menu from the 3 dots, look for and select Delete Status. A confirmation prompt may appear, asking if you're sure you want to remove the status. Confirm your choice, remembering this action could potentially impact any task currently assigned this status. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a status in ClickUp. By doing this, you've potentially simplified task management for you and your team, ensuring that every status actively contributes to the flow of your projects. Remember, keeping your task management system clean and organized is crucial for efficiency. If you're ever in doubt about deleting a status, consider whether it's truly obsolete or if team members frequently use it. You can always create new statuses as your projects evolve, ensuring your space in ClickUp remains as dynamic and adaptable as you need it to be. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to manage your task statuses in ClickUp. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more helpful workflows and tutorials. Happy organizing!